Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we're going to be designing a chicken flyer. So I'll be dropping the tutorial files in the link below and also the PSD file. So please do well to check out my other videos, and you might as well love them and learn from it. So let's start. First we drag in, okay, come to Photoshop. The page size is 1080 by 1350 as usual. So let's drag in our first image. Let us first open a new layer, solid color. So we are going for yellow color. Let's tap on yellow. Let's go for yellow. So let's type in the color code. So the color code is F8 9F08. So we click OK. Drag in our background image. Drag in the background image. Place it like this. Change the blend mode. You can expand it like this. Sorry. Change. So I'm trying to expand this. Yeah. Okay. Change the blend mode to soft light. Reduce the fill or the opacity, either of the two. Make it have a faint look. Okay, something like this. Let's put it as 40. Let's say 45. So what we're dragging next is our leaves. Dragging your leaves. So I downloaded this image as a PNG file. I think in pngitems.com. I downloaded this image, but I'll be dropping the link below. So next thing we'll do is to drag in our torn paper. Drag in your torn paper like this. You can scale it to this size. You can increase if you want, increase the size if you want. So what we're going to do next is create a new layer. We want to change this torn paper color. So come to your tool here, solid color. So it's green. Let's type in our code 2D8B0A. Yes. Click OK. Let us clip it to the torn paper. Right click and type create and press create clipping mask. Blend mode should be linear burn. Linear burn like this. The fill should be 89. Yeah, fill is 89. So let's drag in our texture. Drag in the overlay texture. Also create clipping mask. Also create clipping mask to the color image. Clipping mask color image and blend mode to multiply. Multiply. Yes. Fill, let's leave it around, let's say 69 for the fill. Yes, I think it's shaping up already. So let's come to our text tool here. You can press T on your keyboard. Okay, so we're going to be writing grill, GRILL, grill. You can increase it. Yeah, let's increase it. While it's loading, you can increase it. So sorry, GRILM, grill. Let's change the font to Great Day Personal. Should be Great Day Personal Use. So now we're going to do something a little bit tricky here. So what we'll do is we'll put fill at 0. Now come to your FX here, stroke. So stroke should be at size 3, position outside, blend mode normal, opacity 100, fill type color white, click OK. Now that is done already. So what we're going to do is let's drag. It might expand this like this. Expand it. So you drag this here. Sorry, it's breaking. Drag this, click OK. You can on your keyboard press Ctrl J to duplicate. So you can duplicate as much as you want. Ctrl J again. So I might choose to reduce the size here if I want to. So you can toggle it around any way you want. So what we're going to do next is bring in our chicken. So let's bring in our chicken. Yeah, dragging our chicken like this. Dragging your chicken, reduce the size of the chicken. So you can toggle it like this, make it look. Now what we're going to do next is create shadow. Click on your text layer on your keyboard, press B, but make sure that this foreground color is black. So you just click this once, it will change back to the default settings. So you tap 1 on your screen, come to move to here, Ctrl T on your keyboard. While pressing Shift, you drag down, you tilt like this. Also you can expand it, and also drag down, place it like this, exactly like this. Click OK. Now what I'll do next is I want to make all the color blend. So what we do next is create new layer, solid color. Sorry, let's find a very good color. Let's try green or deeper green, anyone. Blend mode color, reduce it to around, let's say 26, or even lower self. So it will have at least that green feel. It will have it. So guys, in order to save time, because I feel we should all know how to use text, so I had already created my text already. So let's go into it. The font I use for this text is Banga Regular. So I also use them drop shadow. And the settings is normal, opacity 100, angle 90, distance 8, spread 3, size 3. noise 0. Okay, and also for these shapes for these shapes here, for these shapes, I did a color overlay because the PNG I downloaded was plain black, so I used color overlay to change the color to yellow. Now what I did next again is, as usual in my other videos, you will have noticed. Okay, let me do it again. So you create new layer, keyboard, press B. You will change the color here to green. You can click on this, which is green. Now you tap once here, tap once, change the blend mode to linear dodge hard. Now come to move, you can expand, do all sort of stuff with it. Now create new layer again, keyboard, press B, change the color here by double clicking to yellow. Yeah, to yellow. Yeah, that's it. Come here, as usual, tap once again, blend mode, near dodge add. Now for this, you come to move to here, you drag it, so that it can reflect, on the chicken, give it that kind of life or feel. So that's how you design a chicken flyer.